So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pay someone with PayPal goods and services. Now if you want to pay someone using PayPal goods and services, you can go to your PayPal app, or even more precisely you can go to your PayPal account. From this point you can go to the option send and request. So let's just open that. After that you can see at the bottom home and your wallet. You can choose to add a name, a username, or an email. So through this point, you can just choose to add that or type in the recipient's name, username, or email, or even a phone number. So PayPal really gives you a lot of options how to find someone, and then put in the total amount and currency. And after that, you can add a clear note describing the item or service under the description of that transfer that you want to make. So select the option for goods and services if prompted, and pick how you want to pay, either through your bank, your card, or your balance, and you can then review the final details of that and click on send. So it's really important to just click on goods and services, especially if you have a business profile, since it's going to be easier for bookkeeping and even for your private report, if you ever want to check out your history, and then you can locate that transaction and say yes, that was for goods and services. So it's quite simple. Just go through send and request and make sure to follow those prompts. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.